This is a party political broadcast by the Cooperative Regulative Association of Parrots.
Hello there. Let me begin by being very clear about our manifesto. Unlike other parties, our commitment to being clear to you, the electorate, is our prime goal. For being clear is important in a world of transparency, a world awash with pollution, where our rivers are anything but clear, and the difference between the rich and the poor is wide and clear as it's ever been. Like the widest river, and the widest canyon, and the widest... just a thingy. Now I hope that's clear. We will introduce measures to encourage people back into work. Every person who finds a job in the first 2 weeks of our term in office will get a free pie. The first 40 people will get 2 pies. In addition, people on the NHS waiting list for knee replacement operations who can stand up, throw away their crutches and announce to the world, "I can sort this with a plank of wood and string," will get a free packet of crisps, any flavour they want. Thus, we will reduce NHS waiting lists. Also, we will tackle both food poverty and obesity by encouraging fat people to eat a limb. They won't have to eat a limb right away. Perhaps start with a few fingers or a toe, or even an ear, and then move on to an arm or a leg. The unemployed will be put to work by licking our filthy streets clean, and by working in government laundrettes, where they will lick clean the overalls of our brave workers. The other political parties do not know how to tackle the rich shareholders around the world who are bleeding the UK dry. But we know. We'll send them free cakes every fortnight. That's what being a decisive leader is all about. We will tackle the huge trade imbalance with China. Do you know that here in the UK, we can't even make our own undies? By making it mandatory that all persons signing on at the job centre should not wear underpants, and there will be checks. Thus, we will disrupt the import of undies due to decreased demand. In addition, we will abolish all taxes, give rich people free scones, and set up factories to make the many mattresses that will be required to catch the UK as it drops off the edge of the world. Now, I hope that's all clear. Vote the Cooperative Regulative Association of Parrots. You know it makes sense. Hello there.
That was a party political broadcast by the Cooperative Regulative Association of Parrots.